Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of cinnamon and exploring its incredible potential. Cinnamon is a spice renowned for its warm, comforting aroma and rich, sweet flavor. But did you know its benefits go far beyond the kitchen? From ancient times to modern science, cinnamon has held a special place in cultures worldwide. Let's start with a little history. Cinnamon was treasured in ancient Egypt, used in embalming and as a luxury spice. In the Middle Ages, it became a symbol of wealth and was highly sought after by traders. Today, it's enjoyed in kitchens across the globe, but its power extends into medicine and wellness. Cinnamon contains antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress in the body. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, supporting healthy blood sugar and cardiovascular health. Studies suggest cinnamon can even help improve brain function and memory. Beyond health, cinnamon is incredibly versatile in cooking. Sprinkle it in your morning oatmeal, add it to baked goods, or infuse it into teas and warm beverages. Cinnamon can also be used in home remedies, from soothing digestion to calming colds and coughs. A few innovative uses include natural air fresheners, DIY beauty treatments, and even insect repellents. But it's important to choose the right type. Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon, is prized for its mild, sweet flavor and lower coumarin content. Cassia cinnamon, the most common variety, is stronger and spicier, but contains higher coumarin, which should be consumed in moderation. Adding cinnamon to your daily routine can be simple. A pinch in coffee, tea, or your favorite smoothie can make a difference. Its magical aroma not only enhances flavor, but can also uplift mood and stimulate the senses. Whether you're a foodie, a health enthusiast, or someone who appreciates natural remedies, cinnamon has something for everyone. By exploring its history, culinary uses, and medicinal benefits, you can truly unlock its transformative power. Imagine starting your day with a sprinkle of cinnamon in your breakfast or a warm cup of cinnamon tea in the evening. Small steps that bring big benefits. So take a moment to appreciate the beauty and versatility of cinnamon, a spice that has captivated humanity for centuries. Which way will you incorporate cinnamon into your life first? Comment below. I'd love to hear. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of cinnamon, give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more natural health tips and spice secrets. Thank you for joining us in unlocking the magic of cinnamon. Your daily routine will never be the same again.